Hello everyone, welcome again. Let us see what all are the things I am going to teach you in this course. So in this course, I will try to explain what is actually research, and I will try to explain or describe the basics terminology and the basic things that you need to know in research methodology. And I will try to explain step by step research article writing process, as well as the citation and referencing, then research article publishing, how you will submit your research in journals, how you will revise your articles, or how you will respond to the comments given by the reviewers, then how you will resubmit the papers, and how you can actually publish your papers in good journals. Then you will also be getting the data analysis concepts using Excel and SPSS in this course with APA style explanations, as well as finally I will try to show you how to write a research proposal, and tips and tricks many more are coming. And yes, for the reference materials we will follow some books like for the business research, this book is recommended, The Marketing Research and Applied Orientation by Malhotra, and another research book which is for qualitative, quantitative and mixed methods by Creswell, and for the data analysis, the multivariate data analysis book, and finally some research papers and articles which will actually guide you to understand the research methodology properly and to write research papers in well manner. And why this course? So this course will actually help you in analytical thinking and writing. In this course I will try to explain different terms and different concepts related to research methodology very easily, so that you can understand. If you are a beginner, you will be able to understand this properly. And I will try to show you how I have written my papers, and also demonstrate you how you can write step by step and publish those papers in the journals. And yes, if you can actually become a good researcher, you can pursue your career as a researcher, as a faculty member, as a teacher, or you can actually pursue your master's, PhD, higher studies, and excellent career opportunities actually exist across the world. So yes, we are done with this section, and from the upcoming videos we will directly go to our lecture sessions. Thank you.